In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Ads TXT in Squarespace. If you need to make your Ads.txt file accessible through your Squarespace site, this process is a simple workaround using a link in the Not Linked section. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the website area. This is where your site structure and page settings are managed. Once you're there, click on Pages. That will take you to the main page navigation panel where you can organize visible pages as well as hidden ones. Inside Pages, scroll until you find the Not Linked section. This area is useful for content that you don't want displayed in your main site navigation. In the Not Linked section, click the plus icon to add something new. When the menu appears, choose Link. This creates a new link item rather than a regular page, which is exactly what you need for this method. Next, enter a link title. For an Ads.txt setup, the title should match the purpose of the file so it's easy to recognize later. Keeping titles clear and consistent can help avoid confusion if you manage multiple files or links in your site settings. After that, click on the URL field. Squarespace gives you different link options here, and instead of linking to another page or website, select File. This tells Squarespace that your link will point to a file upload rather than a standard web address. Now click the upload icon. This will open the file selector on your computer so you can locate the Ads TXT file you've already prepared. Make sure you choose the correct file before continuing. It's a good idea to confirm the file name and contents ahead of time, so you don't accidentally upload the wrong document. Once you've selected the file, save the link. That final save is important because without it, the uploaded file may not be attached properly. After saving, Squarespace will store the file and link it through the item you just created. At this point, your Ads.txt file has been uploaded through Squarespace using a file link. If you want to verify that everything worked, you can open the link settings again and confirm that the file is attached correctly. This is a quick and practical way to host the file inside Squarespace when needed. That's it for the process. Follow these same steps carefully and you should be able to upload your Ads.txt file without any trouble.